Welcome back. Big move alert. BKKT is lighting up the tape and investors are buzzing. Fast momentum. Fresh catalysts. This is one of those setups you want to understand now, not later. BKKT Holdings Inc. is a fintech and digital asset infrastructure company built for the new crypto economy. It focuses on custody, trading, and treasury products for institutional and retail clients. BAKKT blends traditional finance know-how with crypto-first infrastructure. The company is lean, strategic, and laser-focused on scaling Bitcoin and crypto services globally. That mix makes BKKT exciting for growth-minded investors. Let's look at the headlines that matter. First, a major board upgrade. BAKKT appointed Mike Alfred, a proven fintech entrepreneur and investor, to its board. That move adds deep payments and growth experience to the leadership team. Smart governance attracts smart capital. Next, Japan expansion. BAKKT secured premium domain assets and made a strategic stake in a Japanese firm, landing bitcoin.co.jp and taking a meaningful position in Marusho Hotta. That's a direct gateway into a huge, highly engaged crypto market. Japan's appetite for Bitcoin is real, and BAKKT is positioning itself to capture it. Third, balance sheet strength. BAKKT redeemed convertible debentures and eliminated long-term debt. Cleaner capital structure. Less financial drag. More optionality. Those are three clear, positive developments: leadership, expansion, and balance sheet progress, all in a short window. Investors love that combination. Now let's connect the dots. First, global crypto adoption continues to expand. More institutions want custody and compliant trading solutions. BAKKT provides both. Second, strategic market entry. Securing the bitcoin.co.jp domain and a stake in a Japanese operator opens a direct path to native consumers and institutional partners in Asia. That's expansion without reinventing the wheel. Third, product pivot. BAKKT has shifted toward crypto infrastructure and custody, a higher margin, higher stickiness business. Fourth, capital and credibility. Independent research houses have initiated coverage and issued buy ratings. That brings visibility and institutional interest. Fifth, balance sheet improvements free up cash for growth. With debt reduced, BAKKT can reinvest in product, partnerships, and market entry. Combine all this with a rising global appetite for Bitcoin exposure and a roadmap focused on infrastructure, and you have an attractive growth profile. The market for secure Bitcoin services is just getting started. BAKKT is placing strategic tiles on that board. Why is the market excited? Because the story is cohesive. Leadership upgrades show the company is building a high-quality team. Strategic acquisitions and domain plays show tactical market entry. Debt elimination signals financial discipline and future flexibility. For long-term investors, BAKKT offers exposure to Bitcoin adoption through a regulated, product-focused vehicle. Imagine recurring revenue from custody, expanding flows from partnerships in Japan and Asia, and premium positioning as institutions demand compliant solutions. Those are the ingredients for compounding value. BKKT is not just riding crypto cycles. It is building infrastructure to capture real, long-term demand. That makes the upside attractive for patience and conviction. If adoption keeps scaling, the optionality for BKKT compounds. This is momentum you want to track. BKKT has fresh board strength, strategic Japan expansion, and a cleaner balance sheet. All signs point to a company accelerating into the next phase of growth. If you're watching Hot Stocks today, BKKT deserves a spot on your radar. Smash that like button if you want more deep dives like this. Subscribe for updates and click the bell so you don't miss the next catalyst call. Share this with investors who love growth stories. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.